Ever notice how your cat yawns? It's not just a sign of boredom. In fact, cats yawn for several reasons. First, it helps them regulate their body temperature and keep cool. Second, when they're about to pounce or engage in play, a big yawn can stretch their muscles and prepare them for action. Interestingly, cats also communicate with each other through yawning. It's like saying, "I'm relaxed," or "Everything's chill here." And did you know that when humans see a cat yawn, they might feel the urge to join in? That's called contagious yawning. So next time your furry friend lets out a big yawn, remember, it's more than just cuteness. It's all part of their clever communication strategy.